This home was completely restored in 2022, including the addition of a brand new garage with attic space for storage. Right away, some notable features of this home are the 2 additional parking spots off of the alley, a privacy fence, new electrical, and new plumbing. The kitchen features beautiful quartz countertops and a modern open concept style. With 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, this home will not disappoint. There's plenty of space to entertain guests both inside and out. The owner suite will take your breath away, featuring large closets, a master bedroom, and a glass door to step outside onto your own private deck to relax and unwind. What more could you ask for? This amazing home is located within walking distance to Parkview Field and only a few minutes from Electric Works and downtown. Live in a friendly and welcoming neighborhood, hang out with friends in restaurants, or shop the many boutiques and art galleries. You won't want to miss this one. Call Angie Ashby to learn more.